Michael Osboat here, back with another video. Well, today we got a totally different product from Startimes. It is a Digi-Box, and I have got a question for you guys, so make sure to watch till the end of the video for the question. Let's get started. Before we unbox it, let's see what's on it. It's full HD 1080p display, and on this side we have what the package includes. Over here there's a Digi-Box sign, and there's a remote sign and other stuff as well. On this side is written the Startimes SAT3 decoder enables you to enjoy content with a satellite dish. On to this side, main features, caractéristiques principales. Got some French going on there. Supports satellite TV, service of Startimes fully DVB-S2 DVB-S compliant, full HD capable, simple remote control, and a friendly user interface. On this side we have some of the diagrams. I think it's actually showing how we're gonna plug everything to the TV. Right, let's open it. Whew, let's go unbox it. Let's remove this. Oh, what do we have here? Let's move on. First, I think this is the manual. Yes, it says welcome, getting to know your decoder, quick guide. Yes, it's the manual. Oh my god, that's so small. This is very tiny, guys. Let's just put that aside for a moment and go here. Over here we have this adapter. Yes, this is the adapter or power cable, and this is the AUX cable. I think it's got the other edge. Yes, nope. Yes, an AUX cable. Let's just focus it all right there. Yes, AUX cable, and there's the remote and the Startimes written on it and other stuff. Comes with battery too. What's this? Tinko. That's the brand of the battery. Okay, let's put them all back, and let's bring the box right here, and the Digi-Box, and on the back it has a rubber covering it, and on the back we have some inscriptions, or I think it's warning, and then there's this, the other side. So let's remove it, and let's see what we get. Startimes. Oh, there's another rubber covering it. Should we remove the rubber? I don't think that would be advisable right now. So over here there's power on, and I think this is to move forward, and no, this is to move backwards, and this one is to move forward. And there's nothing here. Oh yeah, also has HDMI port, AV port, L and B, and a SIM card. Yes, the SIM card slots. Okay, so when the installer came, I brought the issue up that the machine was very small. Well, he gave me a very simple and smart reply. He said it's all software. Well, the question I have for you guys is very simple. How small do you think these machines are gonna get because of software? Because the words in these machines are actually the biggest part of these machines because they determine the width and the length of these machines. And so how small do you think they will get because of software? Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.